The Forest Department conducted a successful raid in the deep forest of the Purathal area today, leading to the recovery of the illegal sawmill and a large quantity of illicit timber. The operation highlights the ongoing threat posed by the forest bandits, who are continuously destroying the state's valuable natural resources.
Acting on confidential information, a team of forest personnel led by Bijay Ghosh, the official from the Chorilam Forest Department and in charge of the Jampui Forest Protection Unit, launched an operation into the dense jungles of Purathal this Sunday afternoon. Upon spotting the raiding team, the individuals operating the illegal meat, referred to in local reports as forest bandits, managed to flee the scene, evading arrest. The forest team proceeded to dismantle the illegal sawmill and conducted a thorough search of the area. The search resulted in the seizure of a substantial amount of illegal cut, stolen wood. Bijay Ghosh, in charge of the Jampui Forest Protection Unit, detailed the operation to the media and emphasized the department's commitment to protecting state resources.
আজকে আমার কাছে একটা গোপন খবর আসে যে পুরাতল এরিয়ার মধ্যে একটা ইলিগালি সমিল চলছে। তৎক্ষণাৎ আমরা আমার স্টাফদের নিয়ে ওখানে পৌঁছাই এবং ইলিগালি সমিলটা আমরা বাজেয়াপ্ত করে আমাদের অফিসে নিয়ে আসি। 1.5 থেকে 2 লাখ টাকা হবে।
থাকবে?
হ্যাঁ, এটা অভিযান কন্টিনিউ আমরা করব। এটা যতদিন আছে ততদিন আমি চালিয়ে যাব। আমার নাম বিজয় ঘোষ, ফরেস্টার, ICFTO in charge.
He affirmed that such operations will be intensified and continued in the future to curb the illegal destruction of forest wealth. Pure report, Chini Khorang.